Arlene, sabi ko, nakita kitang mag-grow. Kayong magkakapatid, actually.
Mag-grow at saka mag-grow?
Not literally. Ibig sabihin sa career. Oo. Pero ang ibig sabihin, personal life mo, nampanatili mong private. Was it a choice?
Because nga, I am not the talkative type. Even with Aga's issues or anyone's issues, hindi ako sumasawsaw. If I have an opinion, I'll keep it to myself. But if needed, then I post. Pero nicely. Hindi galit. Wala kang hinahamak.
Okay.
Para wala ring basher. Kasi ngayon, ang iniingatan mo ngayon, basher na rin. So if there's nothing good to say, just keep quiet. Longevity is very important, just like you. It's all because of your ethics, your work ethics. That's what I want to impart with my children and the generation today. Fly like you, not like them, diba? Be yourself. I never was a liability to anyone, to any production, to any network. I always work hard. I was good to my coworkers. Kumbaga lagi akong best foot forward. That's how I wanna be remembered.
Paano kayo nagkakilala ni Warren?
Crush ko siya. Crush ko siya.
Alam niya?
Siyempre, papaalam ko.
Oh, okay.
Ano ba mangyayari sa atin? Sabi ko sa mga kaibigan niya, kailangan ko makadate yan. Nakuha ko. Nakuha ko naman.
So, paano kanya napansin?
Ay, di punta ko nang punta sa game niya. Cheer ako ng cheer. Warren.
Ayun pala yun.
Ko, nakita ko.
Cute.
Ay, maganda pala itong taba-ching-ching na to. Teka, ma-date nga ito.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas, at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Aster Amor. Sa pagkakataong ito, mga kaibigan, ay isa na naman pong special na personalidad ang ating makakakwentuhan. Siya po'y nagmula sa family ng showbiz royalty ng mga Mulak. Kapag binabanggit po ang apelidong Mulak, sino ang nalaala nyo? Amalia Puentes? Aga Mulak? Nino Mulak? Andres Mulak? AJ Mulak? Andrew Mulak? Of course, napakarami pang iba. Mga kaibigan, let's all welcome for the very first time sa ating programa, Arlene Mulak!
Yay! Thank you. Thank you, Aster. Thank you for having me. Good day to all of you viewers and listeners of Tita Aster.
Alam mo, matagal-tagal na rin tong ating schedule na to.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero
kasi nga, I work.
I know.
Pasensya na, Tita Aster.
I
pero
know.
who can say no to you? No one can say no to Tita Aster. Okay, you'll have to take time out to visit Tita Aster.
Alam mo, naunahan ka pa ng kapatid mo, si Morning.
Yun na nga eh. Kaya nahihiya naman ako sa'yo.
Kaya nga ang sama ng loob ko dito kay Ninyo. Anakan ko pa yan, ha?
Hoy, Onin!
O, diba? Yan.
I will drag him
King.
over. I will drag you here.
Ilang beses na kami nag-schedule.
Hindi na matulpad-tupad.
Hindi matuloy-tuloy. Alam mo,
Onin na to.
Never.
Paano? Bukas ng mga branches yan ng Mulak Milk.
Oo. But anyway, it's important you're here. Maraming salamat, anak.
Thank you.
I know, nagtatrabaho ka. Yes. Pero andiet,
I'm here.
You're
Just
here.
for you.
Yes.
Not because I'm afraid, but because I respect Tita Aster.
Ay, ayoko naman yung matatakot kayo pupunta.
Kaya nga, ito dahil sa respeto ko sa'yo. Because sabi nga nila, haligi ka ng industriyang Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, anak. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And I've seen you grow as
Yes,
well.
yes,
Just like Aga,
yes.
diba? Just like Aga. And of course, your late father was a good
Cheng,
friend of mine, na si Cheng. At saka, of course, your mother na si Anita,
Yes.
diba? Si Alex na uncle mo, diba? Si Alex, si Cheng.
Si
diba?
Tito Alex is doing well, He's up and about. He's very, I think he's 78.
Pero dun sa magkakapatid, bukod kay the late Nena or Amalia Puentes, ang tatay mo, yun talagang kakulitan ko.
Yun din ang pinakamakulit. Sa kanilang tatlo, yun ang pinakamakulit.
Ay, di si Nena?
Ay, hindi. Iba naman yung kulit doon.
Okay.
Naku, ibang version naman yun.
Alam mo ba, nakamunti ko kayong i-manage?
Really?
Oo. Asaya wala na dito ang papa mo. He offered you and Aga to me. Before, I was still with Octo
Tinanggihan mo kami.
Hindi, anak yun.
Hindi
kasi
naman.
I was with Octo Arts at that time.
Okay.
Wala pa akong pinagkukwentuhan nito. Not even Aga. Hindi niya alam to. Remember, ang The Wonder Films noon, active pa yon. Your dad and your Tito Alex, they were behind it, di ba? They wanted me there. Tapos they wanted me to manage you at saka si Aga. Pero very tempting ang offer ng tatay mo.
Oh, why
My God,
didn't you?
enough for me to to grab it anytime. 'Di ba? Ang dami yung apartment diyan sa New York. Oo, 'di ba? Marami kayong may apartment, may condo.
It was a
Yeah,
condo.
right. Tapos with matching car.
Talaga?
Oo, ang ganda ng offer ng tatay mo nun sa akin, 'di ba? Enough for me to talaga give up Octo Arts. I almost accepted the offer, pero nangibabaw pa rin talaga sa akin. Hindi naman
Your loyalty.
yung
siguro.
loyalty kay Boss Orly. The company kasi, I was part of it when we started it. Kumbaga yung when we formed the company, I was there. Isa ako sa bumuo.
Yeah, haligi ka rin ng
Boss,
Octo
yeah,
Arts.
Ito pwede kong ipagmalaki. Isa po ako sa bumuo ng Octo Arts.
Yeah.
Ang hirap, just like leaving a Vicor at that time. Siyempre, Boss Vic Del Rosario, yung Boss Orly. Di ba nung maghiwalay yung magpinsan?
Parang sa'yo rin nangyari.
Yes, di ba? Ang hirap-hirap ng pakiramdam. Naiiwanan ko. Kasi like, wala naman silang ginawang masama sa akin para iwanan. Kaya ganun ba? It's not that I didn't want to, kundi,
Understood.
yes, tapuan mo na anak, di ba?
I get you.
Oo.
Kaya ikaw ang hahanapin ko pag nag-artista ang aking mga anak.
Yes. Welcome anytime. Boss
Yan.
Vic, Boss Vic, nakita ko ng mga anak ni na Arlene tsaka ni Warren. My gosh, talagang, star material. Oh, ayan, dito on TikTok.
Yes.
Ayun, galing na
Oo.
mismo sa nanay. Oo, di ba? Aabangan ko yan at saka talagang hihintayin ko yan. How are you? Alam kong meron kang pag Metro Manila Film Festival
Yes,
movie.
it's Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Evil Origins.
Oo.
At saka this is the 17th pero hindi niya nalinagay ni Miss Rosel yung 17th. Tinawag niya ng Evil Origins. And I am part of story number 1.
Grabe, at saka ang cast,
Ang dami,
Grabe
no?
ang cast, star-studded,
Diba?
pati mga direktor.
You should
oo.
see rin the setup. Talagang
Oo,
ginastusan. Talagang,
Oo.
I think it's the innovative mind of Rosel and
the son, si
and the
Keith,
sons.
si Attorney Keith. Oo,
Yan.
yes.
Oo. Galing,
Oo.
galing.
Ang tagal-tagal mo rin sa industriya. Halos sabay naman kayo ni Aga, right?
Yes.
Sino na una sa inyo ni Aga?
Si Aga kasi nagkabagets siya.
Yes,
Tapos ako
1984.
sumunod lang. Uy, you remember the
Of course,
year.
1984.
Yeah,
Hindi ko
84,
makakalimutan.
that's right.
They started the trend at that time.
That's so true.
Yo, di ba? Na ngayon gagawing musical. Kasi
meron?
Andres naman ang isa sa
really?
mga bida.
Parang you mentioned it nga kanina. Was it
Wow.
Jan? Oo.
Yeah, and this is gonna happen in January
Oh, okay.
sa Newport Performing Arts Theater. I think this is
I
until
will
March.
I will watch. We will
Yeah,
watch it.
definitely. Grabe. Kaya nga sabi ko, alam mo, yung mga mulak talaga, di ba? Alam mo, nanganganak at nanganganak eh. Actually, from your tita, for a while, ang papa mo at saka si Alex, nag-arti-artista rin yun.
In fact,
Di ba?
I saw, ano ata yan, Johnson Wax na sila yung mga artista dun sa tapos nag-extra rin sila
Yes.
sa
Yes.
EM Production, sa Wonder
Right.
Films.
Kasi ang gwapo naman, ang gwapo ng papa nito. Ang gwapo ni Alex, di ba? So, talagang mga artistahin ng mga mukha, di ba? So yun, kaya may mga pinagmanahan naman. Actually, you're the second generation.
Yes.
Pang third generation na sina Andres, saka si Atasha.
Yan, third, yes.
So, Aga, and of course, you, tapos sumunod si Elmira,
Yan.
di ba?
And everyone else. Ang
Everyone
hindi lang
else. Si Andrew.
Si
AJ for a while.
Si AJ for a while.
Oo.
Ang hindi lang nag-artista si Albert, si
Albert.
Idognog,
Oo.
yung aming
Yes,
pangatlo.
Yes, oo.
Tapos yung ano namin lawyer, si Andrea.
Mula.
Yung migrated na. Yes.
Yung kakaiba yung apelido, parang hindi Pinoy.
Sa totoo lang, it was Mulaker. It started as Mulaker. When they
Mulaker
migrated-
na may
Mulaker.
ER.
K-E-R yan.
KER,
And then, but
okay.
when they went on exile, they're German people who went on, mga rebelde.
Okay.
They went on exile and transferred to Spain.
Okay.
That's where they took root.
Oo.
Doon na sila nagstay forever, as in their whole lives na.
Oo.
And they cut it to Mulak. Something to that effect. And
I
then they
see.
married, and then he
Oo.
married
Oo.
Spaniard na.
Oo.
Kaya nahaluan na.
May Chinese ano ka rin, blood.
Yes, because my grandfather, in fact,
Yeah.
married my lola,
Oo.
who is purely Chinese. So,
Kaya
nagkaroon din
maybe
kami ng
it's the
Chinese.
singkit, na
Diba?
konti. May
Meron,
konting singkit.
yes.
Oo. Ayun, kaya naman pala, sabi ko, ang galing na sabi ko imagine may pagka-German, may
Halo-halo.
pagka-Spanish, may
Wala
pagka...
halo-halo na,
oo,
wala na, hindi na
25%.
puro.
Pero hindi na puro, pero ang ganda ng produkto.
Thank you, thank
Di
you.
ba? Nung unang sumikat si Aga,
Mm.
parang naging sign for you to enter showbiz as well?
magsusud lang naman kami.
Oo.
Kumbaga, hindi pa pinapalabas ang
Bagets. Oo.
He was doing the movie pa lang. Sinunod na ako ni tita.
Oo.
Si tita, because of that movie, Ibulong Mo sa Puso. Para
Ay.
they needed mga children there.
Okay.
So kami
Oo.
nang kinuha, di ba? Nagtipid. Hindi
Oo.
kami ng mga
Oh,
kinuha.
pati si Nino, di ba?
Yan.
Oo,
So
lahat
anyway,
yun.
so
Oo.
that's how it started.
Oo.
And then he boomed. Si Aga, biglang nag-boom siya sa Bagets. So I was riding his coattails. Parang ganun, di ba?
Okay.
Kumbaga, dahil sa kanya, naiangat din niya ako. So I am thankful that happened to him.
Siyempre, magkapatid,
Of
di
course,
ba?
oo. I love
Oo,
what happened to
yeah,
him. Kumbaga, it doesn't hinder me from being who I am. Kasi, nadala rin naman niya ako. So I'm thankful also.
Oo. Pero
Diba?
aside from your tita, the second one to enter showbiz was Onin.
Oh yeah,
Oo,
oo,
70s
naging boy
pa.
wonder yan.
Oo.
Tapos
As a
ngayon,
kid.
Hall of Famer pa.
He was 2 years old and a half
That's
lang
right.
at that time when he started.
Oo.
Di ba?
Tapos I remember nga, kinikwento ni
Oo.
Papa, yan si Onin, hindi yan aarte kung wala ako dun sa shooting. Ako lang, hindi yan susunod sa tatay niya. Sa akin lang yan susunod. Kaya kailangan nandun ako lagi sa shooting. Yan ang kinikwento ni Papa.
Oo.
Yan.
And they are very, very close.
Ayun.
Oo,
naman.
grabe yung pagiging close ng magtiyohin na yun, di
Mhm.
ba? Na, para bang, andyan ang tatay niya, pero but he would consult your dad,
Mhm.
di ba?
That's
Pag may
true.
mga decision siya, parati Tito Cheng, Tito Cheng,
Mhm,
yun
yan,
ang
lagi
parating
Tito
ano.
Cheng, oo.
Yes, yun
Yan.
there was even a time, nung active pa si Alonso, I was managing him, right?
Oh, you
Oo.
did?
I did. He started
I
with me.
forget
I
na.
co-managed him with Viva.
Oh,
Di
I
ba?
see.
Who would ever forget the movie queen,
Yes,
Amalia Puentes?
Mhm.
Anong memories mo sa tita mo?
Ako, madami. Ang naiisip ko, yung mga issues ni tita. Di ba?
Yun ang natatandaan ng marami.
May her soul, rest in peace.
Oo,
ano?
yes.
Pero she was a very good aunt naman.
Oo.
Let us not take that away from
Of
her.
course,
No?
oo.
What you see on camera was very different, slightly different than in real life.
Mm-mm.
She was a good aunt. She was a good mother.
Mm-mm.
Kaya lang, she just became so possessive lang siguro of her only child.
Oo.
So, things happen.
Yeah.
Pero,
oo
mabait
naman.
na tao naman.
Always
si tita.
naman may ganun di ba?
Oo.
Kahit,
You can't
at
help
saka
it,
panganay, di ba? Panganay.
Saka, yun ang
Oo.
nag-iisa niya noon. Bago
Oo.
naman siya nag-ampon.
Oo.
Si Jeric, it
Oo.
was only Ate Lisel. Kumbaga,
Yeah, right.
nakatuon ang pansin niya kay Ate Lisel lang.
Oo.
So, pero she was very nice. naman.
Oo,
Wala
oo.
namang problema.
Ano naman ang namimiss mo kay tita Nena mo?
Namimiss ko. Kasi we became estranged. When she fought with Ate Lisel,
Mm-mm.
siyempre si Ate
Oo,
Lisel ko
oo.
ang
Oo, yes,
kaedad
oo.
ko.
Oo, yes,
I
yes.
grew up with Ate Lisel. She
Right.
didn't have
Oo.
siblings eh.
Yeah,
So
right.
kami nila Aga ang naging
Uh,
mga parang kapatid niya.
Yes,
At nung
yes.
nag-away sila ni
Tita Nena.
tita,
Mm.
syempre, hindi naman kampe, pero hindi na rin niya kami kinausap.
Oo.
O di syempre, doon ako kay Ate
Oo.
Lisel ko.
Oo.
So, I wasn't able to interact with her for so many years. Parang ganun. Until she died. Medyo...
Pero nung pumasok na kayo sa showbiz, of course si Onin, tapos si Aga, then you, naging very supportive aunt ba siya sa showbiz career nyo?
Hindi naman siya nakikialam.
nice.
Kay Aga nakikialam
Ay,
siya
alam ko,
noon.
ay, paboritong ano niya yun.
Oo.
Paboritong pamangkin niya yun.
Paborito niya
Oo,
pamangkin niya.
oo.
Nakialam siya for a while.
I
Pero
know.
nagalit si Papa, nag-away.
Oo.
So, di ba, away?
Oo.
Parang kasunod sa Amalia, away. Parang,
yes.
huwag naman away, sige, intriga na lang.
Oo.
Intriga. Anyway, after that kasi incident, the one with Aga, hindi na siya nakikialam sa amin. It was all Papa na.
Mm-mm.
So,
Oo.
it became a quiet, career.
Oo. Speaking of your papa, alam mo naman papa mo is a lovable guy.
Oh, yeah. Hindi, he is, lalo na when he grew
Yeah.
old.
Yeah.
Ay, naku.
Oo.
We would always travel with him.
Yes.
Lagi yung, naku, ang kulit niyan, di ba? Pag yan sa bahay, Warren, lutuan mo ko ng sinigang. Warren, lutuan mo ko adobo. Pupunta ko dyan. Warren, lutuan mo ko. Arlene, lutuan mo kong laing. Arlene, pag ganun yan, request ng
Oo.
request, tapos
Oo.
pupunta sa bahay.
Oo.
Yun ang gawain niya. Nung
Ah.
at his old age,
Mm-mm.
he'd go to all of our houses, visit us, or
Mm-mm.
invite us to travel.
Mm-mm.
Libre niya, just
Mm.
so we all
Mm-mm.
go. Ganyan. Yan ang
Mm.
old age niya. So we
Oo.
loved him so much.
Nung magkaroon kayo ng mga half-siblings sa father mo, ikaw being the eldest, di ba?
Yes.
Sa original family,
Mhm.
how do you take it?
Oh, we took it well because the good thing with Papa, with Cheng Mulak, my father, is he introduced everyone. There was it was never a secret. Kumbaga, pag nagkakaroon siya ng anak sa iba,
Oo.
etong kapatid nyo,
Oo.
hello.
Oo.
Etong susunod, hello.
Oo.
Etong susunod, eto.
Oo.
Kumbaga, lahat naman pinakilala. So, it was never a secret.
Okay.
In fact, the women that he had children with were friends with my mom.
Oh.
To the point that they'd call her pa in the middle of the night, Anita, or Tita Anita,
Oo.
tulungan mo ako si Cheng ng bababae. Ganyan. Sasabihin ni mama ko, basta, huwag kang tatanga-tanga ha. Mag-ipon kayo. Yun lang.
Oh.
Mag-ipon lang kayo.
Oo.
Huwag kayong diba?
Oo.
Ganyan lang. So they were all friends.
At saka
Ganda,
nakakatuwa
saya.
sa inyong magkakapatid. Wala kayong half sister ko lang yun, half brother ko lang. Wala,
We
diba?
become technical lang when people say,
Oo.
ha? Paano ba laki ng tanda nyo sa kanila? Then you have to become technical and explain
Oo,
na
right.
because they're half siblings.
Oo.
Ganyan. Pero you don't ask me why and
Yes,
how.
Right.
We're all brothers
Oo.
and sisters.
Oo.
So it's basically
Oo, kasi
like
at
that
saka
way.
from the very start, never niyo mo sinabi, even aga, half sister ko si ganito, half brother ko si ganito. Never.
Walang ganon.
At saka yung closeness nyo, na andon.
Oo. Hanggang ngayon naman, even if we don't see each other personally,
Yes.
we call, like, kanina lang, kausap ko si Aga sa telepono dahil nagpapatulong ako sa pintura ng bahay. I couldn't decide. Good morning, he's very aesthetic eh. Sabi ko, can you help me with my colors? Siya pa nag-decide para sa kulay ng bahay ko.
Oo, hindi nga nakakatuwa eh. Di ba parang may problema yung isa. I mean, naandun kayo bilang
Oo
magkakapatid.
naman. Lalo na kaming matatanda with the
Oo.
other 5.
Right.
Kumbaga, parang ang nangyayari dyan, bilang ako ang eldest, so I make decisions. Tapos si Aga naman, lalo na noong hindi pa siya kasal, no?
Oo.
This was during his prime, no? Anong taon dito, siya yung financier. Tapos si Albert Sinognog, siya naman ang tagagawa. So meron kaming mga sariling roles sa buhay ng mga kapatid namin who were a lot younger than us kasi. Medyo malayo-layo rin kasi ang age difference.
Now that your father is gone, kumusta kayong magkakapatid?
Like I said nga, we don't see each other as often. Kasi noon si Papa, he was like the glue that put us together on a regular basis.
Right.
We're not anymore.
Okay.
But we managed to call each other. If not nga call each other through IG kasi ang social media.
Yes.
you
Malaking bagay.
you have so many fronts to be able to talk to them eh, di ba? Pwede mo i-DM, pwede mong i-text.
Pwede kayo mag-group chat
pwede mag-group chat, pwede mag-video call, pwede ang daming paraan. So hindi mo pwede sabihin, naku, hindi ko na siya nakikita ngayon. Hindi, that is no excuse.
Ikaw, Arlene, you are one of the Mulak children na hindi masyado naging open ang personal life mo.
Yeah.
Merely because your husband is non-showbiz.
And also, maybe kasi it kept me grounded because like I was telling you earlier, I have always been an office person. Even with my acting career, balanced yan with my office work. Like I said nga, I worked for Duty Free Philippines for 22 years.
Wow.
Now I work at the Commission on Appointments. I've been there 3 years. Because I'm detailed to
government
a good senator. Yes, government ako.
Government.
So, yun most probably kept me grounded kasi imbes na mag-showbiz ako, papasok na lang ako sa opisina pag wala akong trabahong taping or shooting.
And that's a regular income also,
of course,
diba?
That's a fallback.
Diba?
Hindi, like I said nga, ang pag-aartista, hindi naman yan regular. Alam mo, swerte mo na lang pag naging agamula ka. But if not, you have to think, di ba? What is your fallback? So, it's your work, di ba? You have to find work that is regular, di ba? Na maaasahan, di ba?
Being the ate, of course, being the eldest among the siblings, syempre, malaking task din yun kasi you lost your mom first and then you lost your dad.
Yes.
So para bang ikaw na, they look up to you now. So kumusta yung responsibilidad na yon?
Wala na kasi good thing, and I thank the Lord for this, our parents, we lost them at we were old na, we are adults now when we lost them.
Right.
Kumbaga, we knew how to live alone, to make do with what we have, to know how to cope. Kumbaga, maski na naman nung bahay pa sila papa at sila mama, tinuruan na kami to live on our own. Walang naging dependent. Walang ganon. Pero siguro, ask for advice, or that's the most. Basta tinuruan nila kami na mag-isa at matuto to stand on our own.
Hindi ka naman nagkaroon ng parang favoritism among your siblings, younger
Naku,
siblings?
Wala. Wala kaming ganun.
Wala. Oo.
Basta ako bilang ate, takbuhan.
Mm-mm.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, ako yung takbuhan,
Oh, yan.
ako yung ano. Tapos
Yeah.
sabi ko, morning, may problema itong isa. Morning is aga.
Mm-mm.
Morning, may problema ito isa. Paano gagawin natin? O sige, si Aga ang financier nga, di ba? O sige, bigyan mo yan ng ganyan. O, Albert, takbo na dun sa ano, ikaw na, pakiayos mo na tong at si Tak, yung ganun.
Oo.
Tulungan.
Tulungan.
Walang
That's very-
naiiwan.
That's very important. Like what you said is, at least nung mawalan kayo ng parents, kumbaga lahat na kayo on your own.
Established na.
Established na
Oo,
kayo.
yes.
Meron,
We were adults
diba?
na.
At saka independent lahat.
Mhm.
Na hindi dependent dependent on each other, pero ang ibig sabihin, lahat na kayo tumatayo na sa sarili nyong
Yes, we all had
kanya-kanya-
work.
Yes,
Yan.
yes. May kanya-kanya
Nawala si Papa, ang huling nag-aaral noon was Andrea, yung naglo-lawyer. Kasi
Yes.
it's an 8-year thing, ano?
Yeah,
So, yun ang itinaguyod namin. Hindi naman namin na naghirap kami for her.
pinagtulong-tulungan
Siya,
niyo.
oo. At saka siya, she did it on her own.
Oo.
Siya ang nag-aral, siya nakagraduate. Now, she's attorney mula. May
Wow,
attorney na.
may
yes.
lawyer na kayo sa
Yes,
family,
diba?
di ba?
And we also have an engineer.
Oh.
Kapatid naman ni Onin.
Oh,
Si Angela.
ay,
She's
si
an
Angela,
engineer.
yes. Oo, wow.
Engineero yun.
Oh,
So,
wow.
thank you, Lord. Diba? Me, I graduated at 55.
Oh, 55.
Yes,
Oo nga
I
pala.
finished my
Congratulations.
studies in PWU at 55. I'm now 57, so that's 2
2
years,
years
ago.
ago. What prompted you to go back to school?
Oh, it's my work. And I think the Commission on Appointments, my IRS office mates, they were the ones who pushed me na, Arlene, it's high time you graduate. You know, pag recess kasi medyo mas
Yes.
konti ang gagawin.
Right.
Adi, why don't you study? Sabi nga, si Sen din.
Mm-mm.
Yung aking, I'm detailed to him now. Sabi
Oo.
niya, oo nga Arlene, why don't you do that? So
Oo.
because of their prompting, and Rufa was one of the
Mm-mm.
influencers
Oo.
for me to finish
Oo.
my studies.
Mm.
So I did.
Ang
Thank you, Lord.
nakakatuwa
Thank you,
nga.
PWU.
Alam mo, ikaw, si Marjorie Barreto,
Yan.
Carla Estrada,
Aha.
di ba?
Yes.
Of course, aside from Rufa.
And not because we want to be politically
Nothing to do with
inclined.
it
No,
naman.
we're not.
Pero ang pinaka-importante, I mean, kasi ang education, walang limitless yan eh. Walang ano eh.
walang edad.
Walang edad.
Yes.
Oo.
Saka it's
Grabe,
like me lang
nakakatuwa.
telling my children na, oh look, so it really doesn't matter. Education is key. Education is important.
And congratulations to you and Warren dahil kagagraduate lang ng unikaihan
Oh
nyo.
yes, she
Oo, si
graduated
Aliyah,
in
di ba?
August. Yan.
Wow.
Political economy naman yon
Wow.
from UAP.
Wow.
Yes.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, papakita ko yung picture ng dalawa nilang anak ni Warren. Talagang star material pareho. Si Augusto at saka si, naku, abangan ko yan. Aabangan ko yan. Abangan namin yan. Boss Vic, I'll show you the pictures. Saka natin kumbinsihin.
Let's see,
Di ba?
Oo.
Oo, dahil, wow, lalo na-graduate na yung unikaiha
Si
mo.
Aliyah,
So,
yes.
isa na lang. Si Augusto is still
Si
in school.
Augustus, grade 12.
Grade 12.
Mag-ano na siya, magka-college na. Pero
Diba?
parang si Aga rin eh. He made the children finish their schooling
That
first.
was
diba?
the usapan.
Because that's what we weren't able
Yeah.
to do
Yeah.
during our time.
Yes.
So, siyempre, you've learned your mistakes. So, ayaw mo na mangyari sa mga anak mo.
Oo.
So, ang sa akin din lang, finish your studies and then you decide what you wanna do.
Ang galing nga, di ba? Parang tinupad naman niya. Ngayon, kumbaga, okay, gusto niyo mag-showbiz?
Do what you
Tapusin
wanna
niyo muna.
do.
Anong kursong gustong kunan ni Augusto?
Nako, would you believe psychology?
Wow.
Sabi ko, are you sure?
Alam mo ba na limited ang mga ganon, na kumukuha ng ganong kurso?
Sabi ko, are
Oo.
you sure? Sabi niya, yeah. Okay. So,
Baka
siyempre,
magbe-medicine.
ano ko sa kanya,
Oo.
like I said nga pareho kami ni Aga maski si Albert, maski si Miray,
Oo.
ang mga anak namin, hinahayaan namin, kasi iba rin ang ngayon ang henerasyon ngayon
Yes.
they have their own minds
Of course.
Pero so you let them be, you're just there to guide them.
That's
So,
true.
anong decision nyo, gawin nyo. Basta hindi kayo napapariwara, we're all good. Diba?
Oo, si Miray, may swerte rin sa mga anak niya.
Oh yeah,
Oo.
graduate na yung tatlo.
Oo, wow.
Yeah, tatlong Maria niya, puro
Wow.
graduate na rin.
Wow. May pressure ba pag kapatid ka ng isang Agamulak?
Ako, I don't feel it eh.
Mm-mm.
Kasi, it was inculcated into our minds early on eh.
Mm-mm.
You don't have to be best actress. You don't have to be, thank you Lord, na si Aga became a big
So
thing,
famous.
di ba? Ang importante lang, you work well, you work hard. Di ba? You do your work properly, you go on the set ready, you're early, you're never late, you're never a liability to anyone. You're good to go. kukunin at kukunin ka naman nila. Basta alam nilang matino kang magtrabaho.
Yeah.
Diba?
That's
Hindi
very-
ka mawawalan.
That's very important.
And it has been proven through the years. Thank you to ABS, thank you to GMA. Never ako nawalan
At saka,
ng trabaho.
in fairness to you, in fairness to you.
Aster, never ako nawalan ng
At
trabaho.
never ka rin.
Maski pandemic, may
Oo.
probinsyano ako,
Oo.
may house arrest ako.
Oo.
Hindi ako pinabayaan ng Lord, hindi ako pinabayaan ng ABS, hindi ako pinabayaan ng GMA. So I'm happy with everyone.
Yes, at
Diba?
saka in fairness naman to you, bukod sa pagiging professional mo, you're also well-loved in this industry. Mabait ka rin naman kasi marunong ka makisama. I mean, that's very important.
Oh, yeah.
Yung iba kasi, konting sikat lang.
Oo,
di ba?
Longevity is
Yes,
very
that's
important, just like you.
Important.
Your longevity as a reporter,
Mm.
as an article writer,
Oo.
as a manager.
Oo.
It's all because of your
Okay.
ethics, your work ethics.
Yeah,
I mean,
I
that's
started
what gets
actually
us,
in the
diba?
recording business, di ba?
See?
Oo,
It's
di
the
ba?
work ethics. That's
Oo,
what I want to impart with my children and the generation today.
Oo.
Alam mo, it's your work ethics.
Attitude.
Diba? Yan, yung
Attitude
your
is also
attitude in
very
life
important.
also.
Yes, totoo.
Fly like you, not like them.
Okay.
Diba? Be yourself. Galing.
Punta
Oo.
naman tayo sa personal. Sa
Okay,
personal.
yes.
Kasi natutuwa kasi ako. Arlene, sabi ko, I've known you for so long.
Yes.
I mean, in this business, pag nakita kitang mag-grow, kayong magkakapatid actually.
Mag-grow at
Oo.
saka mag-grow.
Not literally. Ibig sabihin sa career. Oo.
Oo.
Pero ang ibig sabihin, never na-drag yung personal life mo, lalo na sa husband mo, being a non-showbiz, nang panatili mong private. Very private.
Tahimik ang
Oo,
mundo
naging
ko.
tahimik. Was it a choice? Kasi he's a very private person.
How did it happen nga ba? Ang sa akin lang siguro, why is it private? Because nga, I am not the talkative type. Hindi
Okay.
rin, even with Aga's issues or anyone's issues, hindi ako sumasawsaw.
Totoo.
Kasi minsan, yung pagsawsaw mo, mababash ka pa pabalik eh.
Alright.
I had one interview nga sa YouTube din. Sabi nila, alam nyo, itong artistang ito lang atang artistang walang issues sa mundo.
Mm.
Sabi, yun ang mga comments nila.
Yes,
Ito yung tahimik na artista
right,
to.
right,
Pero,
right.
yung tagal na nyo dyan. Ganyan.
Ah,
So, I take that, of course, as a compliment.
of course.
And maybe nga because hindi ako sausaw. Yung bang, if I have an opinion, I'll keep it to myself. But if needed, if I need to post something that is heartfelt and needed, like an opinion is needed, then I post. Pero nicely. Hindi galit, hindi
Yeah, right.
wala kang hinahamak,
Okay,
para wala ring
oo.
basher. Kasi ngayon, ang iniingatan mo ngayon,
Yes.
basher na rin.
Totoo.
So if there's nothing good to say, just keep quiet.
Totoo ka.
Yan lang naman siguro ang
At
sa
totoo
akin.
ka. Paano kayo nagkakilala ni Warren?
Oh, yeah, we met in duty free. Crush ko siya.
Oh!
Crush ko siya.
Alam niya?
Siyempre, papaalam ko.
Oh, okay.
Ano ba na mangyayari
Okay.
sa atin?
Okay.
Siyempre,
Okay.
kailang konting agresibo.
Okay.
Kasi I was so big then.
Oo.
Sabi ko, teka, may biological clock is ticking.
Oo.
Kailangan kong magkaroon ng magkaanak.
Oo.
Kailangan ko magka-boyfriend. Game
Ah.
na eh. Ang gwapo-gwapo niya.
Mm-mm.
Tapos basketball player siya ng government, yung
Oo.
GSA basketball player siya. He was very good. He MVP.
Oo.
To make the long story short, sabi
Oo.
ko sa mga kaibigan niya, kailangan ko makadate yan.
Mm-mm.
Nakuha ko. Nakuha ko naman. We've been going strong for 20-something
Of course, hindi
years.
naman ikaw yung nanligaw. Hindi
Ano
naman ikaw.
naman? Pero
Oh,
syempre,
pero-
alam mo, Astor,
Oo.
kailangan you put yourself out there. Kung magtatago ka, wala tayong
Mm-mm.
mahahanap.
So,
Diba?
paano kanya napansin?
Ay, di, punta sa game niya. Cheer ako ng cheer. Woo, 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 Warren,
Oo.
Warren. Oh,
Ayun
siguro
pala
sa ingay
yun.
ko, nakita
Ang
ko. Ay,
cute.
maganda pala itong taba-ching-ching na to. Teka, ma-date nga ito.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo. Alam mo, next time, ilalabas natin siya, ha?
Sige.
Kayong dalawa sa couple. Oh,
Okay.
ilalabas, one of these days, kukumbinsin natin si Warren na lumabas. Sila naman. Kasi never pa ito nagpa-interview na kasama yung husband niya.
Yeah,
So,
never.
ipapaano natin yun.
Okay.
Yeah. One of these days, ha? 22 years ka sa
Duty-free.
duty free.
Oo.
And then, siya,
33 years.
wow.
na siya sa
So,
duty-free.
mas nauna kang nag-resign.
Yes, I resigned in 2015.
Okay.
Siya,
Oo.
ito lang recently,
You got married when?
2002.
2002.
Kung we were boyfriend-girlfriend
Oo.
since 1997.
Mm-mm.
We decided to get married in 2002
Mhm.
when I got pregnant.
Oh,
Yeah.
so nauna
With
yung,
Aliyah.
nauna si
Oh.
Aliyah na nandyan na.
Oo, kumbaga. Kasi before, hinayaya naman niya ako magpakasal. Sabi ko, ba't pa tayo magpapakasal? Hindi ako magkaanak. We were trying since 1997
Okay.
na magkaanak. Tapos, nung hindi na namin masyado iniisip siya, ako nabuntis. O di sabi ko, we have to legitimize this. Sabi ko
Okay,
ganyan. So
oo.
we got married.
Oh,
I've been going strong since
so what
then.
date was, ano yung,
That was September, ano nga bang date? Oh my God.
hala.
Kasal ni Willie. Anong araw? Anong araw yun? Kinasal kami, kasal ni Willie. June 7. June 7.
So June bride ka pala.
Why? You know why? Kasi ganito yan.
June 7,
Bigla-
2002.
Yes, oo. Tapos, basta long story yan dahil nga, si Aga was the groom, ano ba si Aga? Best man ni Willie.
best man.
May mamos Ninang.
Oo.
Tapos kami lang nandun sa church kasi
Oo.
nga biglaan yung kasal namin dahil nga kailangan bago ako manganak, 'di ba? Anyway, kami lang
Ilang
nandun.
months pregnant ka na nun?
Hindi ko na matandaan. I don't remember. 3, 5, parang mga
Hindi pa
ganun.
masyadong halata.
Hindi
Okay,
pa. Oo.
oo.
Anyway, so kinasal kami lang with my office mates.
Mm-mm.
Kasi nga, my whole family, si Albert naman was part of the groomsmen.
Mm-mm.
So lahat sila nandun habang kami kinakasal.
Parang mas na andun pa lahat kay Willie kaysa sa'yo.
Yes. So,
Oo.
kasi ang kasalanan ko naman kasi
Oo.
biglaan.
Nakakatuwa naman pala. So naandyan na si Aliyah, dala-dala mo na. And then when you finally got married, and then she was eventually delivered, ilang buwan na kayo?
Tita Aster, pang mga dates alam mo naman, hindi ko na matandaan.
dates. Okay, kung
Basta my
5
daughter
months.
was born in April 22, 2002. So, nagkasal kami, April siya. So, mga end of the year, ano?
Oo. So, a few months after lang.
Oo,
a
parang
few months
ganun.
after.
Oo, mga
Oo.
3 months pa lang kasi
3
akong
months, oo.
preggy nun.
Oo,
Talagang hindi
oo,
pa,
3 to.
But I
Oo.
knew I was
Yes,
pregnant.
kaya nga sabi ko hindi pa halata, hindi
yan.
pa halata. But what's important is, kumbaga yung dream mo na mapangasawa,
At
na crush mo,
at
at gusto mo maging tatay ng mga anak mo,
na it all
same
happened.
guy. Ilang taon na yon? 23 na kayo?
Yeah, si Elias 23 eh.
Hindi,
So,
20
kasal kaming 23,
Oo.
pero 1997 pa kaming
mag-boyfriend.
mag-boyfriend-girlfriend.
Oo,
So,
oo,
that's
oo.
28 years.
Wow.
28 years together.
Oh, wow.
23 na married.
Oo.
Yeah.
Arlene, kung i-rewind ang buhay mo,
Mhm.
anong part ng buhay mo ang gusto mong balikan?
Babalikan ko yung payat ako. Yun ang gusto kong balikan. Yung payat
talaga?
ako. At dapat hindi na ako nagpataba. Yan ang gusto kong ma-rewind at mabalik doon.
Oo.
Yung hindi na dapat ako nagpabaya at
Oo.
nagpakataba.
Oo.
Yan. Not that there's anything wrong. This is
Yes,
for health reasons,
Yeah,
diba?
right.
Hindi dahil masamang maging mataba. No naman.
Oo,
As long
oo.
as you're healthy naman.
Oo.
Ang problema nga, naging diabetic ako,
Oo,
may high
oo,
blood.
Oo.
All because I was big.
Yes.
Diba? So kung yan tanong mo nga,
Mm.
if I wanted to rewind and do something from back then,
Mm-mm.
I would have
At
not.
that time, ilang pounds
Yes.
ka lang noon?
Noon?
Yes.
Taas, 23 bewang ko
Oh my
noong araw.
God. Wow. Sayang hindi nakita ni Warren.
Hindi niya nakita. Sa litrato.
Baka doon pa lang na
Sa mga-
in love na siya.
sa
di
mga
ba?
litrato
Oo.
niya nakikita.
Okay.
Pero umabot akong 302. That
Oh
was
my
my
God.
heaviest.
oh my God.
Yeah. I think I was in my 20s,
Oo.
mid-20s. So
Pero
late
paano
20s.
ka nag-trim down?
Madami. It's all scientific
It's a pri-
na.
it's a-
Yan, I tried the lap band.
Oo.
So from 302, nag-230 ako.
Oh, wow.
Tapos now,
Ang
I'm with
laki,
Dr. Angeles, who's
Mhm.
helping me. Dr. Rolando Angeles, he's helping me now lose weight.
Yes.
So I am below na the 200 line.
wow.
Thank you, Lord.
Diba?
Yeah.
Siguro ang ano sa'yo is 150 at least.
Ay, ang problema lang yung sag naman.
Hindi,
Ayoko rin naman magpagawa ng mukha.
Hindi,
I mean, not that there's anything
hindi.
wrong, wait
Oh,
Not that there's anything wrong, pero yung sag
makukuha
naman
yun
ang
sa
problema.
exercise. May klaseng exercise yun di ba?
Really?
Yeah,
Yung
meron.
loose
May-
skin at this age?
Go to the gym and ask kung ano yung advice nila.
Sige,
Meron.
Pero 150, parang hirap
Hindi.
na. Parang masaya na ako taas sa 180. Pwede na ako doon.
Or even 160 man lang siguro.
Oh, sige,
160.
okay.
Pero pag i-ano mo yun, di ba? Why not? Di ba?
Oh,
Why not? Ang sarap imagine 23. Oy, naabot ko rin yan noon. Ano ka pa yan?
Yeah.
Wow! Inabot ko
Di
But I
ba?
was still young. Young
yun
din,
na
di
nga.
ba?
I didn't know, you look
Oh,
good nga eh.
Pero
Hello.
I still have to
You
lose some weight.
maintained it eh. No, you look good.
Oo.
I think that's
Thank you,
good.
anak. Siguro at my age, baka ano na
Yeah,
yun.
sakto yan.
Yes, sakto lang. How do you want to be remembered in this business?
In the business, I was a hard
Kasi-
worker. That I never was a liability to anyone. to any production, to any network. I always work hard. I go on the set, I knew my lines. I was good to my coworkers. Kumbaga, lagi akong best foot forward. That's how I wanna be remembered.
Oh,
Yan.
galing.
Yan lang.
Oo, kayo naman hanggang ngayon naandyan ka pa rin eh.
Yes.
'Di ba? How long have you been in this industry?
I don't know. I started at
1984?
Yeah, I was 15 ata.
1984,
no?
oo.
So, paki-add.
Oo, 'di ba?
84 to 2025 minus 1980. Ilan? 41.
Wow, 'di ba?
Wow.
See? Alam, being in the industry that long, ibig lang sabihin,
I must have done something good.
that's one, 'di ba? Dahil number one, of course, yung talent mo, being an actress. Pangalawa, yung pakikisama,
Yes.
'di ba? Yung
Totally.
attitude.
Not only in showbiz eh, maski
Diba?
sa
Sa
office.
lahat. Sa lahat.
Oo.
Sa lahat yun. Kasi it does not apply in showbiz alone eh.
Exactly.
Oo, dahil di ba, lahat naman yan pare-pareho eh, di ba?
Pero kahit sa opisina
Yeah,
may issues.
Yes!
Kahit
Mas
sa-
grabe pa nga minsan yun eh, di ba?
Diba?
Mas grabe pa nga sa
Oo.
opisina, di
That's
ba?
so true.
Oo,
Pero
di
yun
ba?
nga, pakisama lang will
Oo,
get
totoo.
you places.
Pag magaling ka makisama sa lahat, anong dream role mo na hindi mo pa nagagampanan up to now?
A dream role that will challenge me. There is no particular
Oo.
thing na I want drama, I want to be Lucaret or anything that can challenge me as an actor. That will most probably be a dream role.
Mm-mm.
Something really challenging.
May isa pa akong gustong itanong sa'yo. Kasi of course, being in the business, di
Mhm.
ba? For so long,
Yes.
there are only a few na makukonsider mong closest of friends.
Yes.
Sino-sino tumato?
Nadia Montenegro,
Oh.
Mia Prats.
Oh, si
Yan
Mia.
ang mga, yes.
Si
yan ang
Mia is
mga-
still here in the Philippines.
Yes,
Oh, ilabas nga natin. Hi, Mia, if
Oh,
you're
Mia,
watching.
hello,
di ba?
ikaw nagigastugan.
Oh,
ikaw
di-
na intrigahin ni Tita Aster. Yan dalawang
Oo.
yan. Ang mga
Oo.
showbiz.
Nakakatuwa,
Then
di ba?
there's Irma Adlawan.
Oo, di ba?
I don't see them regularly.
Oo.
Janine Desiderio. But we're very good
Oo.
friends. We talk
Nakakatuwa,
regularly.
Di ba?
Pero Nadia and Mia are,
Talaga.
since I was
You start-
15.
Yes.
Yan. Kaibigan ko na yan. Dalawang
Oo.
yan.
Pareho lang kayo nagsimula about that age.
Oh, yes. Halos
Oo.
ay, everybody mistakes us for each other, kami ni Nadia. Kaya
Yes.
nag-uusap kami ni Nadia, itim buhok mo ngayon, o sige, ako magbablond. Mahaba buhok mo ngayon, o sige, ako magmamaiksi. Ganyan. Just to distinguish us.
Talaga.
Yes.
Oo, nga may hawig nga kayo, no? May
Yan,
hawig nga
oo.
kayo.
Madaming nagkakamali.
Okay, why don't I do it one day siguro? You together.
Yeah,
You
that will be
together.
fun.
Oh, sige,
Nako, makikita
I'll do
mong
that.
kulit namin.
Anak-anakan ko rin yan eh.
Taasan, nako, makita mong
Anak-anakan
kulit
ko si
namin.
Nadia.
Kami nila Mia.
Ay, sige.
Tryo.
Can you do
Diba?
it and then let
Okay,
me
we'll
know?
fix that.
Diba, saya siguro,
Masaya
no?
yan,
As
yes.
friends. Kasi,
Oo.
di ba, bibihira yun
Something
as friends.
different.
Something different.
Tapos maganda yun, ang pupunta tayong Baklaran o Divisoria.
Ay, direct.
Tapos mamimili tayo, bilang majujonda tayo, makukulit tayo doon na tatawad, ganyan.
Pakukover natin.
Diba?
Kaya nyo ba yan,
Kakaiba
Jo?
yan.
Diba? I-ano natin, kukunan
Maganda
natin.
yan.
Isa lang camera. Parang ano lang. Diba?
Diba? Para
Eh,
maiba.
Hindi, yung mga
Pag ano
asawa
na,
nila.
picture.
Ito na lang.
Yan
Ito
ang mga bodyguard.
Ano ginagawa ni Warren, di ba?
Diba? O yung mga
Oo.
anak ko. Yan,
Oo,
anak
diba?
ni Nadia, yun ang
Oo.
mga bodyguard namin. We'll
Maganda.
do that.
Oh, maganda
Let's
yan.
plan it.
Kakaiba.
Let's plan it.
Kakaiba,
Plan
no?
it.
Sige.
Ay,
Alam mo, I really had fun
Me also.
having you here. Ngayon pa lang excited na ako dun sa gagawin natin.
gagawin natin.
O,
Nagplano na
i-men-
tayo. Ako
i-mention-
nang magiging ano mo dito, creative ano mo dito.
i-mention mo na dun sa dalawa. I-mention mo
will.
na dun sa dalawa.
Oy, hello, na mga lamang manunood yan. May gagawin tayo.
Nads, at saka Mia, tagal ko nang
Yeah.
hindi si Nadia sa may anak-anakan. Mia, matagal ko nang hindi nakikita.
Oh, you'll see her.
Oo.
We'll do that.
Alam mo si Morning, like what you said, kahit si Morning sabi kong ganun, ilang taon ako naghintay sa'yo. Ngayon, what's important, tita, is I'm here right
Yun,
now.
oo.
Yun, di ba?
Kumbaga, yan nga.
Oo, di ba?
Si Andres nang susunod mo
Oo,
rin.
Ngayon si Andres, ako, hinahihirapan ako. Naku, Andres.
Busy
Oh,
eh.
sana-
Alam mo.
sana si
Si
Atasha.
Aster yan. You can
I
say
hope
mo.
I can have Atasha and Andres
Yes,
together.
together.
Wow, di ba?
Yeah,
Ang
why
ganda-ganda nun. Your message to your husbandry, to
Oh.
Warren, yung hindi mo pa nasasabi sa kanya?
Naku, lahat na sabi ko na sa kanya.
Oo.
Basta we will be strong. We will always be strong. We will always be together. Wala nang hiwalayan to. Diyos ko.
Oo.
Kami na forever and ever. Amen.
Oo.
And I love you. I
Nine-
love my children. I love everybody. I love you, Taster.
And of course, sa dalawa mong angels na si
Yan
Leah,
nga,
and of
just
course,
do
si
well. Kami ni Papa mo, we're just here to guide you. Just do it. Huwag kayong mahiya. At never make other people's metric of success become yours. Ang akin lang be you. Kumbaga, hindi nyo kailangan maging tulad niya, tulad nito. No? Be yourself. Diba? Sabi ko nga, fly like you, not like them.
And your message to everyone.
Oy, hello, ang dami natin problema dito sa Pilipinas, mga tiyang-at-tiyong. Pero, don't let it stress you out. Don't get depressed. Kasi lahat, as long as there's hope, kaya natin to. Pinoy pa naman tayo. Kayang-kaya natin yan.
And of course, your upcoming movie for the Metro Manila Film
Oh,
Festival.
don't forget, kasi kami lang naman ang horror doon. So, kung variety ang gusto nyo, meron kayong love, merong family, may ganyan, may horror din. Siyempre, mas maganda yung nasusurprise kami. Maganda sa puso yon. Kaya huwag niyong kakalimutan, Shake, Rattle, and Roll, Evil Origins, December 25.
Don't worry, nasa top 4 yan. Kung di nga nasa top 3.
Pag di lang Angel Caraster.
Pag nangyari yon, tawagan mo ako.
Okay, kain tayo.
Ako nga tayo. Hindi lang top 4.
Kain
Basta
tayo.
definitely, it's going to be in the top 4. Wala, hindi ano yon. Hindi mawawala yon. Definitely. And ngayon pa lang, congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, episode nyo, and of course, sino yung director?
Direct
Oo.
Shugo.
Okay.
Yan ang director
Oo, sino
namin.
mga ibang kasama mo dun
Tapos
sa episode?
kasama ko si Janice de Belen, Carla Abellana, Lois
Adalio. Oo.
Ashley Ortega, Isabel Ortega. Basta't marami pa hong iba.
Actually, isang episode lang yun, mga kaibigan. Tatlong episode to. Dahil sa ibang episode, andyan sila Ivana Alawi, andyan sila Richard Gutierrez, at napakarami pang
sila
ibang
Francine Diaz.
Yes, at Fedilin.
Tapos yung mga PBB.
Yes.
Yung mga
marami.
kinalulukuhan ng kabataan ngayon, lahat mapapanood yun. Tsaka, ito
Dustin
yan
New.
Yan. Yan, nandun. Yan,
yeah,
Dustin New.
right.
Basta, ang maganda kasi sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll ngayon, talagang high-tech na siya. Magaling ang pagkakagawa. You believe me.
Yung
You
may
have to watch
special
it.
effects.
Yes,
Diba? Yung special
magaling.
effects.
Basta
Saka
kami
hindi,
ninenervous
para kayo
sa
nanonood
set.
ng tatlong pelikula.
All in
Kasi
one.
3
Three in one. That's
3 in 1 to
true.
di ba? And of course, Metro Manila Film Festival, December 25 up to January 7, 2026. This is the 51st
Oh, it is.
Metro
Yeah,
Manila
oo.
Film Festival.
Tangkilikin natin ang pelikulang Pilipino para hindi siya mawala, para tuloy-tuloy
Correct.
lang.
Meron ka pang mensahe, meron ka pang
That's
gustong
it.
i-plug.
And I thank you so much.
Oo.
You be safe, be healthy always, and I hope to see you around.
Maraming salamat sa aking personal sponsors, Pandan Asian Cafe. Thank you so much, Alvin, Dennis, and of course, Roland, Ever Belena, Hello Glow, Beauty Derm, Eris Beauty Care, Aficionado by Joel Cruz, R&A Events Specialist by Richie Ang, Asia Slashes, Nessa Sila Salon for my hair and makeup, Nutritech, maraming salamat, Jos de la Luna, Most View from Japan, Memoy.ph, Silpul Joyce Furnitures, maraming salamat, Charles Solano of Solano Hotel, Colorete Clothing by Bebot Santos, Dr. M. Sevilla of Vine Aesthetics, Shinagawa LASIK and Aesthetic Center, Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care, Dr. Essentials Aromatherapy, Studio Manila. Thank you so much for this opportunity and for sharing your life story to us. Hindi lang sa akin, but sa ating mga viewers. Dear viewers, maraming salamat. Kahit ako, first time ko rin eh. First time ko lang. First time I met your husband. First time ko na lang nalaman about your family. First time talaga, except yung family ng mamulak. Alam ko na yun, kahit nakapikit ako. And of course, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan mag-subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo every Friday, 12 noon. Hanggang sa muli, mga kaibigan, dito lamang po sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now! And God bless us all.
Ang galing.